Hi Year 10. I'm sorry I haven't done a video for a while, but we had the assessment, didn't we, and a few other bits going on. I didn't want to overwhelm you. But I'm back, I'm in C22, so you might recognise the classroom. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it short and sweet, just a quick introduction to stratification. So you've come across that word before, and it's something I'm going to set PowerPoints on and something we're going to explore a bit further, but we have done it before. Stratification, if you remember, is about splitting society into groups or into layers, like you would the layers of a cake. You can have cake, icing, chocolate, toppings. So society is the same. Now you can stratify society either based on race, gender, or as we're talking about as sociologists, social class. So this idea that at the bottom makes it the working class, the middle class, and then at the upper class and the ruling class. So the way we stratify society. So make notes on it, draw a little diagram, remind yourself of how society can be separated into layers. Next bit, inequality. Okay. In terms of sociology, we're talking about, hold on, I've got some notes. This idea that some people have and some people have not. So it is unequal. So this idea that some people have lots of wealth, some people do not. Some people get a great education, some people do not. Some people can afford housing, cars, phones, technology, others not. So it's this idea of inequality. Now match those up to this idea of stratification. Which layers in society can get those things or have access to those things we've just talked about, and which do not. So inequality. Now, let me just move my thing on. Tied in to this inequality is the key word, which we haven't talked about much, but it's nice and straightforward. Okay, and it's life chances. Life chances basically means this idea that what chance have you got in your life of improving your life, of almost dying better than what you were born into, so making things better for yourself. So life chances include things like the chance to good, safe, clean housing, the chance at a good education, the chance at good health. Now you think, all right, is health a chance? Well, some things you can't control to do with your health. Other things to do with health come into things like, can you afford a healthy diet? Can you afford gym membership? So what are your chances of getting those kinds of things? So life chances, your chance at improving your life, and then linked into that are things like health, education, housing, job, all those opportunities define what a life chance is. I'm going to leave it, I'm going to keep that one really short and sweet. I'm going to come back tomorrow and do functionalist view on stratification in inequality and life chances. What I want you to do now is jot these terms down, either make some kind of diagram or some kind of, I don't know, do something fancy, something creative. Remember, use colour, use pictures if you can, and just explore and write down what these three key terms mean: stratification, inequality and life chances, and if you can, explain how they are linked together. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye from C22.